Yep, you see the title in the thumbnail. So what's better than shrimp fried rice? Yep, you said it, crab fried rice. Y'all ready? Get in your kitchen, let's go. All right, let's get started with the roll call. Right here we have our rice. This is a day old. I made some garlic rice yesterday. This is long grain rice, it's not brown rice, it's white rice. I just added a garlic twist to it. We have our eggs, we got some crab meat here, olive oil, green onions here, sesame oil, soy sauce, more sesame oil, fish sauce. We had a white part of the scallion here, Creole seasoning, minced garlic, and some sugar. So these are the ingredients. Let's get to it. The first thing we're gonna do is take a teaspoon and a half of sesame oil, and we're gonna pour it here over our rice. And we're just gonna get this mixed in here like that. And you just wanna remove the clumps if you got any clumps. This kind of just loosens it up a little bit. And also add some of that toasted sesame seed flavor here. So this is what we have. Let's continue. All right, so now we're gonna heat up about a teaspoon of olive oil. Once that pan is heated, you wanna add your eggs. And you wanna get this moved around and scrambled. Now guys, you can scramble it to your desired doneness. I like mine scrambled hard. I'm not gonna scramble it too hard because it's gonna cook a little bit more when it gets in that rice, but we're gonna make sure that it's not runny, that's for sure. Got to add a little salt on there. We're gonna add some salt on there. Forgot about that. All right, so now we're gonna pause our heat. I think we're there. So we're gonna move these over to a plate and set them aside. All right, let's unpause our heat, add some more sesame oil. We're gonna add our white part of our scallions. And we're just gonna saute these until it gives off that fragrance. Now we're gonna come behind that with about half our garlic. And we're gonna saute that until it's fragrant. We're gonna come behind that with our crab meat. We're gonna get that moved around in here for about 30 seconds. We'll add our fish sauce, half our soy sauce, and we're gonna cook this for another 30 seconds. All right, so now we're gonna pause our heat. We're gonna transfer this mixture over to a plate and sit it with our eggs. So I add another teaspoon of our sesame oil in our pan. We're gonna add the remainder of our garlic, and we're just gonna get this sauteed for about 30 seconds. Now you wanna increase your heat to medium high. You wanna add your sugar. Add your rice. You wanna get that mixed in. You wanna cook this on medium high for about a minute. Now we're gonna add the remaining of our soy sauce, our Creole seasoning, and we're gonna get that mixed in here. Cook for another 1 to 2 minutes. All right, so now we're gonna add our crab meat back into the pan. So we're gonna mix this up to get it evenly distributed throughout our rice. Now let's add our eggs back into our pan. You want to break this up as you mix it. Make sure we get some of those eggs all throughout our rice and crab mix. And lastly, we're going to add our green onions. We're going to get those folded in here like this. And once it's fully incorporated, guys, turn off your heat. Let's move over to our cutting board, to our final presentation. And there you have it, guys. Crab fried rice. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. Let's jump into quality control. All right, it's quality control time. Let's bring this crab fried rice to the front of the congregation. I don't have my soy sauce right here next to me. I have to go in the cabinet and get it, but we're gonna try it without this soy sauce. You know you gotta add that soy sauce to it. Oh man. Man, we gotta put some soy sauce on this baby. Oh man. Delicious. I don't even wanna look up. It's delicious. So, add this one to your list also. So until then, y'all already know who I am. All wings, everything. And remember, I'm not a chef. I just cook a lot. And now I'm out. Peace. Oh man. They don't even understand.